In this video, I want to demystify some of these requirements and features that the accessibility checker is talking about. But again, this is demystifying PDF accessibility in 8 minutes, not a tutorial on how to make a PDF accessible. But I am going to show you how to use the Make Accessible action wizard. Following the wizard as an outline is an efficient way to demystify what all those requirements are. Let's continue from where we left off. Close that toolbar from the last video. Let's find the action wizard. Click this search tools input like we did before. Search for action wizard. Right click, add shortcut. Close out that search. Now click our new action wizard button. Now you will see the deceivingly simple Make Accessible button. Let's click that. It won't make your document accessible, but it's going to walk you through a few steps to improve the accessibility of the document. Click the Start button. The first step is adding an accurate title. Fun things to do in Wonderland. Click OK to get to the next step. Now it will run optical character recognition on the document to look for words and images and try to add real text, because to a screen reader, text and images is just an image. It can't read it without OCR. On a large document, this could take a minute or two. Next, it will prompt us to add form fields. If the document has no form fields, never click Detect Form Fields. Click No, skip this step. Now we set the reading language. Next, it will guide you through adding alternative text to all the images. Acrobat has a bug that you can't actually see the images, but I remember that this is Wonderland Forest. Click Save and Close. Finally, it will run the accessibility checker again. Click Start Checking. Look at all those success marks. It reminds us to check the color contrast manually. Seems a little low. Let's talk to the designer later. Looks like there's still a heading problem. Now this has something to do with the manual check that we have to run logical reading order. We'll discuss that in the next video.